Alright guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how you can wear multiple face accessories on Roblox. So just go to the homepage of Roblox, click on the three lines in the top left corner right here, and then first click on inventory. Here we will select all of the accessories that we wanna add. So hover over accessories right here, the first tab, and then select face. Okay, so I have these two accessories that I wanna equip at the same time. So right click on the first one that you want to add and then click on open link in new tab, and then again repeat the process for the second one as well. Now right here what we need to do, ignore this for now, you want to click on the three lines again in the top left corner, and then from here we want to go to avatar. Okay, so right here we need to hover over accessories and then select face. Okay, as you can see right here, if we try to equip two at the same time, it doesn't work, but I'm going to show you how you can do it. Click on advanced, and here we need to add the IDs for the accessories that we have just opened. So right here, this little code after catalog, we need to copy it. So just right click on this, copy, and then we paste it where it says asset ID. And I'm going to repeat the same process for the second pair of glasses as well, just to show you that we can wear it at the same time. So I've copied this code as well after catalog, and then I'm going to paste it right here. So after I have done this, I'm just going to click on save. Are you sure you want to overwrite your current look? Click on save. And as you can see right now, both of these are selected, and you probably can't see it, but she's wearing both glasses and both are highlighted. If I reload this just to confirm it, and if I go back to accessories and face, as you can see, we're wearing both accessories at the same time. Hope this was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you next time.